Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring HotBraids. Big thank you to HotBraids for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I will be working with their tight afro kinky bulk human braiding hair, and today I will be trying a style that I have never ever tried before. We will be trying DIY mini twist. So this is the packaging, everything that came inside your package, and I'm going to jump right into this video by sectioning off my hair. I am using a new product. I ran out of my braid gel. I'm trying something new, so I will let you guys know what I think about that after a while. But this is what the hair looks like. This is super tight afro kinky hair. So there are a few ways that you can prep this hair. You can actually wet this hair down, which will stretch the hair. So if you want more length in your hair, because this is 22 inches, and if you're looking for more length as opposed to volume or fullness, I would suggest to wet it down as far as prep. But I wasn't looking for length. I was just looking for fullness. I wanted that curly bob kind of look. So that's what I did. So I'm starting off by parting the hair as if I was to do a box braid, and I actually start the twist off like a box braid, and then halfway down I start to actually twist the hair. And I'm sure to use a little bit of the product on my fingertips while twisting the hair, just to get the hair to stay in place and so that my hair doesn't peek through. So that's what one completed looks like. So I'm parting the hair off, stretching and fluffing the afro hair, and starting off as a box braid. So I'm like scooching or pushing, sliding the hair up and then braiding it in. And then after braiding it down about 3-4 times, that's when I start to twist the hair. And I'm just going to twist it until I get to the very end, and then I'm sure to twist the very end of the hair all the way through. That way I get that nice little natural curl at the bottom. So I'm going to move along, and this was like, it was new to me, but once you know how to twist, it's pretty simple. It's a simple concept to grasp. So once again, I pull the hair, stretch it, and fluff it out. That's what's going to give you that volume when you fluff the hair, and that's what I did every time I pulled hair from the bundle. Now a little bit more about these bundles. They are 22 inches, and I have a total of 4 packs. This is in the color 1B. This is in the color 1B, and it's 100% Remy virgin human hair. These are 100 gram bundles of hair. So there are 2 50-gram bundles in each pack. So each pack is 100 grams because you get 2 bundles of 50 grams in each pack. And this hair can last you 6 to 18 months if taken care of. So I'm just going to continue to part the hair as I go and twist the hair throughout. So there are a few different things you can do at the end. If you want to dip the hair, you can dip this hair. Dipping the hair will basically just loosen it up. So as I stated before, if you are going for more of length, then I would suggest to dip the hair. You want to prep it by wetting down the bulk hair, and you want to dip it at the end. But we didn't do that. I did not want any water touching my hair, and I wasn't really going for length. So I'm going to continue to do this, and I will be back in a little bit. So here I'm moving along to the other side and just continuing the same process. This style took about, I'm going to say maybe 5 hours. I did take a few breaks in between, but this does not take as long as the other braided styles that I have recently done. And I do like this. This is like a nice protective style if you want something that's low maintenance that you don't have to do much to. The boho braids are gorgeous, but you're going to have to maintain those regularly. This is something that I can just see if you're wearing, you can just put it up and go, wear it down. And I do show you a few different styles that you can wear this hair in once I'm done. So I can see this being a very low maintenance, naturalish hairstyle. So it's really cute. This is really different for me. I have never, ever done anything like this, but it was nice to try something new. So I'm going to have all the links down in the description box in case you are interested in getting this hair. And I also have a discount code, which I'm going to put on the screen right here in case you want to use my code when checking out to save some money. And all the products that I use in this video will be in the description box as well. So I'm just showing you what the hair looks like stretched because, as I stated, if you dip it, you can get that little extra length. So that's what the hair would look like stretched. And here you just see me pulling the hair apart, being sure to fluff that hair out so I get enough volume, like the volume that I desire. And braiding it in and then twisting once I get past the braiding at the top. And the only reason why I started off as a braid is to secure it so that it stays in place. You can also do a crochet method if you don't want to do the braid method to start it off. But I did what was easiest for me. This being my first time, I was more comfortable starting it off with a braid. So now I'm getting to the very end. My camera did cut off at the very end. Of course, I had like maybe 2 or 3 twists left, but this is what she looks like. I love the finished look. Once again, if you want a looser look, if you want the hair to fall looser, you can dip the hair, but I like this curly type of vibe, so I left it just as that. And I'm just showing you a few different styles. And yeah, that is about it. So all the links will be down below. Shout out to HotBraids for sponsoring today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.